How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of what I actually do for a living. It's going to be a super simple and easy irrigation repair. At most, this is about 20 feet of poly that I would be replacing. They've been having issues with this section of poly being exposed to the sun, making it weak and brittle, so it's easier to crack and tear when walking over it. So as you can see in the photo, it's just spraying water everywhere in the morning. If you're looking to do this as a career, it's extremely easy. It's just labor intensive depending on what you're doing. Right now I'm digging out a new location for the poly with a flat shovel. I'm bringing up the ground with the pickaxe. The ground here is extremely rocky and it's annoying to deal with, so the pickaxe makes quick work of it. The reason why I decided to make a new path for the poly, it's easier to go around the poly versus digging right over it. As you saw right there, it broke with a little effort. That was their patchwork. This section of poly had 4 different quick fixes on it just to stop the leaks, but it really didn't.
This thing's just leaking water like crazy. Yeah, it's fine. So, diverted that way, I guess.
What I'm putting on the poly right now is a compression fitting. So what it does, it connects both lines together, but it bites down on the poly because it's a little bit more narrow on the inside of the connector. And with the help of water pressure, it prevents it from backing out. So generally you need to put each side of the poly halfway through the connector to give it a snug fit, and that prevents any leaks. And in case people step on it, it stops it from backing out.
Husky sucks. I guess it's better than nothing. Alright, halfway. I need a no line going across the entire thing.
When I put in a new irrigation line, I usually have an extra foot of line as a just in case. Sometimes the original line gets kinked if it's pulled too tightly in one direction, and this helps alleviate that pressure on the irrigation system. This helps prevent the lines from getting too fatigued too fast and having the poly slip out of the connectors. And once I figure out the actual placement for my line, I cut it to the final length.
Not everybody, or you wait for more? Oh yeah, there's one more.
Not too bad. little too much there. Alright. That's about halfway down. Do that side. Okay. That'll work. These are such bad clippers. There you go. Okay. That's good. Okay, that's in there good. Good. Alright. Good, good. Good. I'm gonna leave them open until I can run the Rainbird and make sure that the water actually stays in here. But I think we'll be good. Okay. Alright, not too bad. That's good.
Alright, there it is. It's all done. You can't see the pull anymore. Both sides look good. Tested the lines. There's no leaks. Again, it's simple work. It's super easy. There's just labor involved. But it pays well. So, thanks for watching. See you guys later.